Okay, so you're ready to solve the puzzle?
Yes.
Okay, you remember this is box number 1.
Yes.
This is box 2.
Yes.
This is box 3.
Yes.
And this is box 4.
Yes.
And there are small squares in
Wow.
every box.
Wow.
And what numbers you will use? 1, 2, 3 and 4. They have to fit in each box.
Okay.
And 1 to 4 also has to fit in the lines, sleeping line and standing line.
Okay.
Chalo, let's start. Let's begin. Let's start with this box first. What do you think will come here? Can 1 come?
No.
Why?
Because 1 is already up over here.
Correct. How about 2?
Yes.
2 can come.
Not in only here.
Not here, not here. So we'll keep 2, but we'll write it in small writing. Okay?
Yes.
2 or something else can come. Can 3 come?
Yes.
Yes. So because 3 is not here and 3 is not here. Then can 4 come?
No, because of already
Correct.
here.
4 is also here. Correct. Very good. So 2 and 3 can come, right? So we'll make this small for some time. Now let's see this one. Can 1 come here?
No.
Why?
Because 1 is up.
Correct. 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Because 2 is already here.
So 2 can come or not come?
Yes.
It can come because this is small 2, na? Correct?
Yes.
This is a small 2.
Yes.
So I'll write here 2 can come here. Then can 3 come?
No, because 3 is already here.
Correct. 4?
No, because 4 is already here.
Yes. So now what remains? What is the number here? Final answer?
2.
Correct, because only 2 is remaining. So if you got 2 here, then what you will erase? You will erase all the small 2's in this line. Any small 2's you have written?
Yes.
This one, no?
Yes.
Yes. So we'll remove this. Now what is remaining in this box?
3.
3. So this number is 3. Correct. We finished one line. Super. Now let's try this one. You want to try this one?
Yes.
No. Or let's try this one. Chalo.
This one.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Can 1 come here?
Yes.
Yes. Can 2 come here?
No, because 2 is already here.
Correct. Can 3 come here?
No, because 3 is already
Yes.
here.
In this line 3 is there. Can 4 come here?
Yes.
4 can come here? Okay. Now see. Can 4 come?
No.
Why?
No, because 4 is already
Correct.
here.
It's already in this big box, no? So we cannot have 4 here. So we'll remove 4 from here. So what is
4
remaining?
is over here.
But that 4 doesn't matter. In this grey box, you have 1 4 already, no? So you cannot have 4 in this small square. So now what is remaining?
1.
1. Correct. Very good. So you got your final answer here. Now let's do this one. What number is remaining in this line?
I know. It's easy. It's 4.
Correct. Superb. Amazing. Now let's give me a high five. Good. High five. Very good. Chalo. Now let's begin with this number. What do you think will come here? 1 can come?
Yes.
Very good, because 1 is nowhere here, nowhere here, and 1 is not in this box. So 1 can come. Can 2 come?
Yes.
Yes, correct, because 2 is also not here, and 2 is also not here, and 2 is not in this box still. Can 3 come?
No, because already 3 is
Ah,
here.
correct. Can 4 come?
No, because already 4 is there.
Where?
In this box.
Yes, in this big box it is there, and 4 is here in this line also, and 4 is there in this line also, correct? So we cannot have 4 there. So now 1 and 2, only these 2 numbers can come. Okay, let's make it small. How about this? Can 1 come here?
Mommy?
Now can 1 come here?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because this is small 1, so we don't have to see that. We have to see only big numbers. 1 can come because there's no 1 here or no 1 here. Then can 2 come? Pay attention. Can 2 come here? Can 2 come in this box?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because this is small 2. So this 2 can come here. It can come here also. There's no 2 here. There's no 2
you
here.
can also make that small too.
Yes, I'm making it. How about 3? Can 3 come here in this box? Why?
No, because
Tell me why.
already 3 is over here.
Ah, perfect. 3 is here. How about 4?
No, 4 is already here.
Yes, 4 is already here, so we can't have 4 here. Correct. So now 1 and 2, and here also 1 and 2 can come. So how two numbers? We'll leave it. We'll see later. Okay?
Yes.
Let's see here. What number can come here? Can 1 come?
No.
Why?
Because
Because 1 is here. Correct.
3 can come.
Ah, why 3 can come?
Because 3 is not here.
Ah.
3 not here. 3
Yes,
is not here.
3 is left in this big grey box. No, only 3 is remaining.
Yes.
Very good. So 3 will come here. Superb. You're getting it. Now, let's look at this number.
Oh.
This square. 1 can come.
No, because 1 is already here.
Yes,
and 1 is already
1 is in
here.
this box and 1 is already here. 2.
Yes.
2 can come. Correct. 3.
No, 3 is already
Yes.
here.
And 4.
Yes. No, 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 no,
Why?
no, 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 no. Because 4 is
Ah,
already
4 is already. So what is the number? Final answer 2. Correct. Now what is remaining in this box?
here.
See in this line what is remaining?
4.
Very good. Superb. Now let's try this one. 1 can come.
No, 1 is already here.
Correct.
1 is already
No,
no,
this
no,
is
no,
a small
no,
one.
no.
You have to only see big one. 2 can come. Sit close. Can 2 come?
Yes.
Yes, 2 can come. Let's see. 3 can come in this box.
No, 3 is already
Yes,
here.
we can't have 3. 4 can come.
No, 4
Yes,
is
and here also. So the only, what is your final answer in this box?
here. 2.
2. So if this is 2, then any small 2's you remove in that line. Which 2 you'll remove? Ah, correct. If you remove the small 2. So what is remaining in this box?
1.
Very good. So now we'll make this one big. And now if this one is big, then you have to remove all ones from here, small ones. Which one you'll remove? Ah, perfect. You'll remove that. So now this is your final answer.
2.
Very good. Chalo, last 2 squares remain. How about here? What is remaining in this line?
I know. 3.
3. Very good. What's remaining in this line?
1.
Very good. We finished the puzzle. Give me a high five. Perfect. You want a star?
Yes.
Let me see. Let me find a star for you. Tree. What color you want?
I
Jaldi bolo.
want
Yellow. Golden star.
golden.
Golden star. Perfect.
Yay.
Chalo, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next puzzle.
See